Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX futures. Today is Wednesday, January 24. Time is around 5 p.m. GMT. So, yesterday I told you we could have a potential trap here. It looked like in the 1 hour, if we go to the 1 hour here, that we might have five waves: one, two, three, four, five. But yeah, I did not really like this fifth wave here, so I became skeptical about this five waves up: one, two, three, four, five. And indeed, today we got a confirmation with this nice run here that it was a trap. So we did not have the five waves up from here, but it looks more like something corrective now. Like this here was a difficult structure. Yesterday I went for a running flat structure. It seems that the running flat here is playing out, although we still need a bit more data to have confirmation, of course, what exactly will happen here. So now I would actually go for the scenario here that I discussed, where we have this wave X, that this is a corrective move up, and then to put this into perspective, it actually looks like this, so that we have some kind of high right here. So this actually becomes our invalidation level, and that we have a WXY down. This could have been our wave 4, but if this is corrective, it means more downside has to come, and then this WXY is actually the wave W of a bigger WXY structure. But then we are probably not doing a wave 4 anymore, but a wave 2. But that's okay. That also fits in the higher time frame analysis. If you want to have more details on this, you can have a look at my latest higher time frame analysis. So this here might be a corrective structure instead of an impulse. At least this here, as five waves up, one, two, three, four, five, was invalidated, but that was not really a surprise given this strange structure as a fifth wave. It was more like three waves, and also with the RSI on the lower time frame, we had some problems. And so, if it is not an impulse, then it is actually quite simple. Then it is the opposite. It is something corrective. So we had something corrective here. Now, does that mean that the whole structure right here cannot be an impulse? It can still be, but then I would go for a running flat as a wave 2. I still don't like the structure here in green as an impulse. I believe for now this is something corrective as shown in red. But if we would assume that this here is an impulse, or this will be an impulse from the wave 4 low, then the best I can do is this here as a wave 1, then this here running flat as a wave 2, and then here the wave 3 that is now ongoing. Why do I not really like the impulse from the low right here? Well, it is this wave 1 here that bothers me. If we go to the 15 minutes, for me, it looks more like this are two separate cycles here in the 15-minute, this one and this one. It does not really look like this here has something to do with this. So therefore, I think it's better to classify this as an ABC. So a wave A, B down, and a wave C up, two different cycles. And if that's the case, well, then actually here the scenario as shown as a WXY fits better. So that would be my primary scenario now, the scenario in red. I did not change the colors yet. Normally I show you my primary scenario in green, but now I'm just telling you my primary scenario would be the one in red, simply because of the sub waves. The sub waves here, in my opinion, fit better into a WXY structure instead of an impulse 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 further up. That does not mean that the impulse is not possible. I can be wrong in my analysis, of course. So the impulse can play out. I'm just saying that, in my opinion, here the WXY structure fits better if we look at the subwaves. And actually, we will also soon find out, I would say, because for the WXY structure here, this here is actually our invalidation level. Here, the high we made right here. So that's even the all-time high for now. So here, if we go to the 4-hour, this here is our invalidation level. So in this wave X scenario, we cannot go beyond the high right here. So if we would take out the high right here, then it means that the scenario as a WXY, as shown in red, is invalidated. So therefore, as we are reaching the invalidation level, we should soon know if the scenario in red is playing out, or if we are having an impulse here from a potential wave 4 low. Then if we go to the lower time frame, to me, it still looks like we need one more high. I would like to see here one more high, taking out this high, a high with divergence, and then the structure should be in place. So from the running flat we have here, I would call for an ABC structure as a wave Y, and it looks like we need one more high here in the wave C. And if we get one more high in the wave C, and this level holds, then then I would say probably the WXY scenario is playing out. If we take out the all-time high, then of course we have a new higher high. So then the bullish sequence simply continues. Then I do not really think there is a danger for an expanded flat. However, yeah, this could be your wave A in 3, 1, 2, 3, but that's a scenario we can discuss in a later phase, I would say. This is not relevant for now. So in conclusion, if we keep the level right here, this can be a WXY structure as a larger wave X. On the lower time frame, I think we need one more high to end here with divergence to finish this structure. And if we would take out the high right here, the all-time high, then we are probably having an impulsive structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 further up. So this can then be our fifth wave. Why do I not like the impulsive structure for now? It's here because of this wave 1. This looks as two different cycles in the 15-minute. It looks like this structure here has nothing to do anymore with this structure. And if we want to see this as a wave 1, then we should see it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, two related structures. But I prefer to interpret this as two different structures, two different upward cycles. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another video on the DAX. Have a nice day. Bye bye.